Hey guys, welcome to a new episode of Sun and Fried Tech. And this week we're taking apart the Compaq Presario here to start the disassembly process. And I kind of I started recording, but I wasn't looking at the instructions incorrectly. Basically, really easy to take off. But it's kind of a pain. The instructions don't really tell you. So, basically, what we have here, it's just this front end, which is still, a little dirty. We can then, clear it up a bit. And let's see. We're gonna go ahead and unplug this. Oh, that makes sense. The reason that this drive isn't being detected, it's not plugged in. That's great. Alright. We removed our Molex and our IDE. Let's see if I can figure this out. There we go. So, there's the first one. It just kind of comes off. This is just held in there. Gotta figure that out. Gross. I'm gonna take this guy out. That's gross. And there we go. Let's start a quick look at our Compaq over here. Alright, let me see if I can disassemble these drives. Alright, I'm back, guys. So basically, it's pretty simple. So once you lift it, you kind of have to find which way the little grooves are. And of course, as soon as I say that it's pretty easy, it turns real difficult. But basically, oh come on, I just did 3 of these things. Voila. Really? There we go. So this is our maybe. We might keep that drive. But in the meantime, we're going to start off with our first Sony drive. This is a Sony CRX 230ED, manufactured April 2004. There you go, in case you guys want to check that out. And install this the same way. Should I believe it's a top one? Oh no. It goes into the second one. The bottom one. Okay, and then here comes the unboxing of our new CyberDrive 32x speed CD drive. Only opened it to basically see what's in the box, but you're gonna look at the features here. It's it's like German, I think, but it's compatible with DOS, Windows 3.1, NT 95, and OS2. Oh, that's cool. Got a 128 kilobyte cache buffer, MPC level 3 compliant, ISO 9660, which I think we're 9700? It says it's a motorized easy touch loading, which is this guy should have. built-in headphone connector, and CD audio volume control. This one has it too. I believe I'm missing the short cable, but I have to look through my pile for that. You can use it for photo CDs, CD-ROM, XA ready, whatever that means. CD interactive, CD movie, and CD plus support. I would hope so. CDR, CDRW, and it's a longevity of 100,000 hours. Alright, let's open this baby up. So, oh, there we go. So we got the installation guide. I kind of don't want to open this, but we have our floppy disk with drivers, which I don't think we'll need. Again, that aforementioned CD audio cable, but I'll have to look what kind of audio card we have in here. I think it's just embedded. Put that off to the side. And there we go. And the protective bubble wrap. And it's just 2 foam pads. Let me move this back a bit. Check that out. Let me see if I can. It's a Cyber Drive. Model Cyber Drive 321D. Manufactured April 1998. But it's got a date here. Well, actually, no, it's not even a date. Okay, that's okay. It doesn't sound nothing rattly inside. That just sounds like the disc tray. Okay, one thing if you guys don't know about older computers is back here, and I should have checked the other one, but I don't know how clear that'll come off. But basically, with these old drives, you have to set up which one is master or which one is slave. Let me do that real quick. Alright, hey guys, I'm back. So, yeah, I opened this guy up, and it turns out he actually is indeed set to slave, just like this one. So basically, middle position is going to be slave on these guys. It kind of differs, but on this one, master, slave, and I forgot what the third one is. But just to put them in there, it's pretty easy. Basically, you take this little jumper guy right here, right? And you find the pins that you need. In this case, we need the first 2. And that's it. Okay. So, we got the slides in there. Oh, check that out. And if we want to be foolish, not wait to see if this works. But I kind of don't want to. Go ahead and put these guys back on. This again, this is probably getting replaced. I don't really want to deal with that crap. Hey guys, sorry about that jump cut there. My camera battery died. But anyway, we are almost at the end of the light of the tunnel. I set the front back together. So she's kind of back to her former glory. You know, probably, definitely needs a new bezel, but no, we're slowly getting there. Again, need new labels. But yeah, let's see. Let's do a little IDE cables here. We can go ahead and lock this back up. Okay, we got our master drive. Okay. Got our slave drive. And then, okay, there we go. Ooh. Eventually, this will be getting upgraded. I do have a couple of 250 gigs that planning to throw in there, but for now, that 40 gig will do. Um, we got some decent amount of. Actually, while we're in here, well, I'll get back to that one. I'm not really sure how that CPU comes off, but I do have some Arctic MX4. Great stuff. Alright, let's put the side cover on. Turn the power on. Alright guys, welcome back, and yeah, they both power on. Unfortunately, I did, when I first powered it on, it did give me an error, not an error, just a screen saying, hey, your boot order has been updated to include the 2 DVD drives. As soon as I hit the power button, I didn't realize my battery died, so that was kind of a shame. But yeah, they both work, and I'm gonna try them out real quick. Loading up Adventures in Green Valley, which is a water recycling game from my childhood, which was like the bomb back then. So I'm gonna put it in the top drive. Let's see if it reads. And it should read. I put it in here when the camera was dead, and I don't even know if it installed, but well, yeah, but let's see. Actually, one thing I have not checked at all is if this CMOS battery even works. Oh, it does. Okay. It's currently 21, and it is not AM. It's a little concerning. Top drive doesn't. Let's see. Let me try the bottom drive. The disc is a bit scratched, so it's possible that it doesn't want to read it. But sorry about that, guys. Stupid camera, keep charging it, but yeah, I think the battery's on its way out. Anyway, I'm going to see what the drives sum up in Device Manager. And yeah, this is the Sony CDRW, and the Cyber Drive, it shows up as an ATAPI CD-ROM. Let's see. Okay, so we do have CD volume control. Oh no, but it's not affected by the front panel, which is okay. What about the second? What options do we have for the second one? Same thing. But again, not really affected by that front dial. But anyway, yeah, it looks like the front drive, or sorry, the top drive decided to take the multi-tune disc, which is awesome. So let's see if we can install it. Oh, and now. This isn't good. Yeah, that drive might not be reading correct, but okay, we can take a look at other CDs if I have one here. As far as the memory is concerned, I looked in my pile, and unfortunately, sorry, I don't have another stick of SD RAM on hand. If I did, I don't know what I did with it, or it's probably long gone, which is more than likely what has happened. Oh, you know what? I have, of all the good CDs in my pile here, I have PC selling antivirus. Let's see if that works. I don't have high hopes though. Drive is pretty old. I mean, you guys saw the date, 1998, so it's a bit iffy. I really don't think it has to do with the drive. Oh, there we go. It works. So I guess this drive is just really picky on. Just the disc must be like in really great condition for it to work. Because I mean, it's taking this without an issue. Why not install an antivirus while I'm here, right? Sure. We're at the license agreement. So I'm gonna have to see what the max memory is on this board, if I keep it as an XP, and order a couple of sticks of SD RAM, or if I do end up using it under Windows 98 or Windows Me, I'll see if 256 might be enough. But you know, there's only time will tell. Oh no, I do not have a serial number. Well, it's fine. Okay, it's a 30-day trial. That's fine. It'll be uninstalled anyway. I just want to make sure this thing actually works before I'm fully committed to saying, hey, this drive is there. Yo. I don't think I've ever used this. I don't know what PC selling will do. I guess this is going to turn into a review of Trend Micro. Okay. There's really nothing to scan. Anyway, I will leave you guys on this note as this thing does its little scan here. Let's take one look at the system again. So, hope you guys enjoyed the first step of the restoration with this system here. Again, really excited to have these two guys in there. Really makes the system look a lot better than it did. Hope you guys enjoyed, and as always, leave a like, leave a comment. Always remember, subscribe. It helps out the channel. Thank you guys, and well, I'll see you guys next time.